cheesy, spicy buffalo chicken calzone.
Let's do it.
Chef, you've got a really hard job.
Yes.
You're gonna very thinly slice those for me, and then you're gonna make some celery sticks to go along
That's
with that.
it?
All right, so first step is 2 tubes of that thin crust pizza dough out of the refrigerator section. First one, you're gonna cut in half, save 1/2 of it, pardon my reach.
That's
the other
all right, it's
half,
just my fingers
you're
and
gonna
a sharp
cut
knife.
into the same size as a football-shaped pan. We've used
You're
this pan
kidding.
before. We used it actually to make a shark cake. So you wanna just cut one out, same size, and bake it until it's golden brown. The other one, just spread out, and we're gonna get started with our chicken. So I've got half of a rotisserie chicken here, and I'm gonna add to it a 1/2 cup of chicken wang sauce.
Chicken wang sauce.
Chicken wang sauce?
Yeah. And you can make your own if you want. It's just equal parts butter and your favorite hot sauce. Or there's so many good ones on the market now that you can just buy.
They come pre-buttered, essentially.
Yeah,
right? That's
pre-butter. It's just the viscosity is a little bit thicker. I still
Yeah.
use it like hot sauce sometimes.
Yeah, you got
Me
it.
too. I
Yeah,
keep
yeah.
some in the fridge, and if I'm
Same here.
making grilled chicken, I just throw a little on there, and I'm real happy about it. Okay, so take this piece of dough
Ooh, look at that.
and then put it right onto the football-shaped pan. Now, if you don't have a football-shaped pan, you can always just kind of free-form this onto your sheet pan. And, you know, you can do it. You can eyeball
Yeah,
it.
but they're so easy to find this time of year.
Totally.
Yeah.
Okay, now I'm gonna take half of our chicken mixture. And you can see it's not sopping wet with...
Can't be, right? Because you're gonna add some more stuff.
Right, it's not too much sauce so that it doesn't get soggy. So just put about half of it down there.
This is great. You can fill this up with anything, you know, sausage.
Oh, I think it'd be great with like some pulled pork barbecue too. Yeah. Okay, then I've got some mozzarella cheese here. Nice melting cheese. Put about half of that in.
Do it.
And I'm gonna put some scallions in there as well.
Just get a little
Get
vegetables
those in there.
right?
Yeah, you know, we gotta have a little something green, right?
Some green, some roughage.
Now for structural integrity,
Oh,
that baked
Katie.
piece is gonna go right in here. It's all right if it breaks a little bit. You're just wanting it to be there for support. Now, the chicken goes on board. So spread it out.
Bananas.
A little
Nice and
carbohydrate rebar right there,
Yes,
girlfriend.
exactly,
I like
exactly.
it.
I want to get every little last bit of this in there. And then I'll take the rest of
Oh,
those
don't take that, though. That's
scallions.
for
Put
the-
those in there. I'm gonna put the rest of my cheese right down.
I mean,
And then I've got some blue cheese. This is optional. If you're not into blue cheese, you don't have to do it. But I like that it gives it that little something something that I expect from wings.
that dirty funk.
Yeah, exactly. Then I'm gonna
Uptown
take
Funk.
my other half of dough.
Oh my God, more
What I
dough.
have
I love
left.
this. This is like, I think this is gonna only be eaten on big game day.
Yeah.
I mean, this is pretty extraordinary.
Put it on top here, and then just
Do you want me to
kinda
get the deep
pinch it
fryer
together.
going, or-
Yeah, let's
Good?
get the deep fryer. I'm gonna put the whole thing in. Just kidding. Okay, so let's trim the edges around the sides, get the extra off, just like that. And you can save these and make some garlic knots
Oh,
for
yeah.
your big game party. Everybody loves those.
If you're like not a blue cheese person for, you know, hot wings,
Yeah.
you could also just, I love this recipe, Katie, because you could get like a little pack of that ranch mix and toss it with the cheese in there. And now you got that ranch flavor going on.
Totally.
there,
Yeah, we're gonna serve it with some ranch dipping. Just like, you know, you put ranch on pizza.
I do.
Yes,
Yeah.
I did it
I
last
do
night.
that.
Just go all the way around and pinch it.
Don't knock it till you've tried it, America and beyond.
Drag it through the river, as I like to call it.
Okay, this goes onto a sheet pan, into the oven, 425 degrees
I gotta see this.
for about
This is-
15 minutes.
Yeah, I mean, talk about, this could be the main
Need some
course
help
of your
there?
big game day
I
party.
think I got it.
Got it?
Don't move too
Okay.
quick, Jeffrey. We don't want you to blow an
We don't want you to
NCL.
pull a muscle, Jeffrey. Okay, now, here's what I'm gonna do.
Okay.
It's not done yet. So you're gonna take
Hot,
this,
hot. Oh.
flip it. Here we go.
Spot you? It's like,
Yeah, I might need a spot. Flip it out of here, because you want to get a nice golden brown crust on the football.
So it's got to go back
and
in.
I found that, yeah, when it just comes out, it's
Oh,
not quite
not
dark
bad.
enough.
oh,
It's not bad, but it needs a it with some garlic salt.
Oh.
My favorite finishing salt now.
Yep. So a little garlic salt goes on. Back in the oven, it only takes a few minutes to get nice and browned. You know, maybe like 10 minutes or so. Same
This is a calzone. I can get in touch with this.
You can find your sensitive side.
What would
for
you
this one,
put in
Jeff.
your calzone, GZ?
And then I have one that I was just keeping warm in here. I decorated it with some
cute.
cheese for football laces.
Oh, laces out.
Serve it with this celery sticks
your
with some
vegetables.
ranch. All right, Jeff.
Oh, great. Yeah, just give me
Get in
a good
here.
quarter
Go,
of it.
Jeff, your favorite.
Yeah.
I'm getting ready. We gotta start this off right, guys. I'm the guinea pig
Look
here.
how
at
nice
that.
that is.
Doesn't
That's
that
such
look
a
good?
nice integrity of statue.
Yes. We'll get you a little ranch dressing going there.
Oh, man.
Some celery.
You get
know.
yours,
You gotta have your
vegetables.
fiber.
Does this come with a stent?
Look at that cheese oozing out there. Yum. Cheesy,
Go,
I know
Jared.
you're
I don't know
dying
if I
to
do
try
middle
this.
first or end first.
Oh,
it.
oh,
You know.
oh.
Yeah. You are turning into Jeff.
No, sorry, can't help it.
What's happening?
Look at that cheese.
I think Arnold Schwarzenegger would love this.
I mean, this leaves you wanting nothing. This is like taking care of your pizza craving, your chip craving, because you got that crunchy layer in the middle there. Your buffalo wing craving, your ranch craving, all your big game cravings, all your big game day cravings are in one singular bite here.
Just need a
Cheese
beer.
is perfect. And you dunk it in that ranch to tie the room together. This is perfect. Katie, well done.